Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect an Xfinity Pod step by step. Power on your gateway, then plug in the pod within range of your Wi-Fi dead zone. Open the Xfinity app, tap Devices, and choose Add a Device to start setup. Follow the on-screen prompts to select your pod and confirm placement. Wait for the steady LED, then run a connection test to verify improved coverage. Positioning the pod correctly makes the biggest difference in coverage and speed. Avoid large metal appliances and thick concrete walls that block signal, and aim for a height around 3.5 feet for better propagation. Space pods at least one room apart so each unit covers new territory instead of overlapping too much. After placement, rerun the network test in the Xfinity app to confirm signal improvements and adjust as needed for peak performance. If the pod will not connect, try rebooting both the pod and your gateway first, then retry setup in the app. Use a factory reset on the pod only as a last resort, since it erases prior settings. Also check for firmware updates in the Xfinity app, because outdated firmware can block pairing. If problems persist, move the pod closer to the gateway temporarily to complete setup, then reposition it once verified, connected, and stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.